Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we're going to address a serious subject, setting up the taxes for your shop. You're about to sell products through your shop, so you'll most likely be subject to sales taxes, which you'll have to charge your clients, then pay back to the state. The regulations concerning market taxes are complex and subject to frequent changes. GoodBarber uses the tax jar service, which automatically manages and update the sales tax calculation according to the geographic areas of your buyer. Let's go to the menu Settings, Taxes. First, you'll choose to display the prices of your product with or without taxes. If this option is enabled, prices presented to the clients will be displayed all taxes included. If the option is disabled, prices will be displayed without tax, and the tax will only be included in the payment details. Manage taxes according to the product you sell. I'm going to manage taxes depending only on the shipping countries I offer. Taxes are automatically calculated by TaxJar according to the shop address and the shipping address. However, you can manually edit these amounts. You can see here the list of countries I have selected as shipping zone for my shop. I did the video on shipping zone in the info bar. You see, taxes are automatically calculated by TaxJar according to the countries. For certain destinations like the United States, different taxes are applied according to administrative subdivision, states, provinces, regions, etc. Simply click on this arrow to display them. You might have to manage taxes manually if a country is not managed by TaxJar or if you want to apply a different tax. Don't forget to first check with a professional. To change the tax rate, you only need to hover the line and enter the new rate in the field Custom Tax Rate. This custom tax rate will always be applied in priority over the automatic tax rate. Don't forget to save, and that's it. All done. You now know how to set up your shop taxes. See you soon for another tutorial.